Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on OPPO Reno 12FS. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Then we should be able to locate gestures and motions. Inside, first option is screen of gestures, and I covered them in my previous video called all of the screen of gestures on this device. So if you're interested, you can check it out. In this case, we'll be covering the rest of the options inside. And now let's go with swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. It works like this. You swipe down 3 fingers from top of the screen to capture a screenshot. Then we can touch and hold 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot or scrollable screenshot on our device. And that means you can select the amount of screen you want to capture. Then we have turn on and off a flashlight with a volume button, and you need to press and hold the volume down button to turn on or off your flashlight. It works like this. Then we have raise to wake, and if you lock your phone, you can pick up the phone with one hand and make sure it's in a grip, and when the camera or face detection detects your face, it should wake up your screen. Then we have lift to ear to answer calls. If you receive any calls, you can lift your phone to your ear to answer that call. Then there's auto switch to receiver, so it works the same way as lift to ear to answer calls, but in case you're using any receiver like headphones, then it will automatically transfer that call to your receiver. And last one is flip to mute incoming calls. If you lock your device and flip your phone upside down, like this, it should mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.